Godot Vulkan versus OpenGL. Choosing the right renderer can completely change how you build and optimize your games without compromising performance or compatibility. Vulkan offers modern graphics power, while OpenGL ensures broad support and stability. Godot supports Vulkan and OpenGL as rendering backends. Vulkan is a low-level, high-performance API designed for modern hardware, while OpenGL is a more mature, widely compatible graphics API. The core difference lies in performance optimization versus compatibility and simplicity. Vulkan in Godot is a modern graphics API that provides low-level access to the GPU, enabling developers to harness more power and efficiency. It works by reducing CPU overhead and allowing better multi-threading, which results in faster rendering and improved frame rates, especially for complex scenes. Vulkan supports advanced rendering techniques like compute shaders and explicit control over GPU resources. Its strengths include superior performance on newer hardware and better scalability for high-end games. However, Vulkan has limitations. It requires more complex setup and is less forgiving on older or less powerful devices, which can lead to compatibility issues. The ideal user for Godot Vulkan is a developer targeting modern platforms who needs maximum graphical performance and is comfortable managing more detailed rendering configurations. Vulkan is the default renderer in Godot 4, reflecting its focus on future-proofing game development with cutting-edge graphics capabilities. OpenGL in Godot is a well-established graphics API known for its wide compatibility and simpler integration. It operates at a higher abstraction level than Vulkan, making it easier to use and more stable across a broad range of hardware and operating systems. OpenGL works by handling many GPU management tasks internally, which reduces the complexity for developers, but can introduce some CPU overhead. Its strengths include excellent support for older devices and platforms, making it a reliable choice for games that need to run on diverse systems. However, OpenGL's limitations are apparent in performance and efficiency compared to Vulkan, especially in demanding or multi-threaded rendering scenarios. The ideal user for Godot OpenGL is a developer prioritizing broad compatibility and ease of use over maximum performance, or those targeting legacy hardware. Godot 3X primarily uses OpenGL, ensuring stability and support for many existing projects. Comparing Godot, Vulkan, and OpenGL depends on your project's goals. Vulkan excels in performance and control, ideal for high-end games with complex visuals on modern hardware. It reduces CPU bottlenecks and enables advanced rendering techniques, but demands more development effort and limits compatibility with older devices. OpenGL offers a more straightforward setup and runs reliably on a wide range of platforms, making it perfect for projects needing maximum reach and stability. For example, a VR game with intensive graphics benefits from Vulkan's efficiency, while a casual mobile game targeting older devices might perform better with OpenGL. The trade-off is between Vulkan's cutting-edge power and OpenGL's proven reliability. Choosing Vulkan means embracing modern APIs and future-proofing, whereas OpenGL ensures your game runs smoothly across more systems with less technical overhead. Choose Godot Vulkan if you want top-tier performance and are developing for modern hardware, ready to handle a more complex rendering setup. Opt for Godot OpenGL if broad compatibility and ease of development are your priorities, especially for projects targeting older or less powerful devices. Both renderers have their strengths, so selecting the right one depends on your specific development needs and